Welcome back to my channel for a new video and for a unboxing one. So it's been a while since I filmed an unboxing style video on my channel, literally for ages. I think the last time that I bought myself something was maybe my Celine sunglasses, like last summer. Of course, I've had the new house, the wedding and everything. I haven't bought myself anything luxury for ages, so I thought I would treat myself. I've had my eye on a handbag for ages and I could never get my hands on it. It was always out of stock, and when I went into the LOEWE stores, they said it was discontinued, but it managed to land back online and I had to order it straight away. So I do have that to share with you. I also have two other bags from two other premium luxury brands. One is Polène and another is CAFUNE. These have been kindly sent to me from the brands, but I thought I'd include them in this video because they're really beautiful pieces. So yeah, let's get into my luxury unboxings. So I'm going to start with my new Polène bag. So for those of you who are already subscribed, you'll know that I am a huge lover of the brand and I had to add this bag to my collection. So if any of you are after a premium handbag, like you want to save up for a high quality, timeless style handbag, then I couldn't recommend Polène enough. They have so many gorgeous designs in lots of timeless colours and shapes. I absolutely love the brand. So the brand's had a little bit of a rebrand and they've changed the logo. I really love this font text, but all their bags always come with the dust bags. It's always beautifully packaged. There's all tissue paper and everything in here. And the bag that I went for, I can never pronounce the name. I think this one, it's spelled C-Y-M-E. So Cyme, but of course it's a Parisian brand and I've probably completely butchered the pronunciation, but I really wanted a timeless like brown bag in my wardrobe because obviously I have my Chloe Woody tote. I have my other Polène bag, which is sort of it's like, I think it's called the Noof bag, or no, can't remember the style now, but it's a sort of like a triangular shape, and I wanted a bag which looked more, I'd say more like a smarter workwear bag. And I spotted this on the website and I was like, it's absolutely beautiful. They do it in two different sizes. This is the mini version and I absolutely love the colour. Look how beautiful the shape of this is. It's a grained leather. So I always like to go for a grained leather when it comes to my luxury handbags because I do tend to scratch things. But I love that it has like these two straps. So it has two straps here so you can sort of wear it on your arm, but it also has these longer shoulder ones so you can wear it on your shoulder. An absolutely beautiful style bag. It also has a zipper section here for your valuables, which is really nice. It's attached to the inside of the bag. Let me sort of take this stuffing out so you can see a closer look at the size. So this is inside the bag, so as you can see, plenty of room in there. They also have these magnetic clasps just on the side, which I like. It has that on my other little mini bag. And yeah, I just think it's an absolutely beautiful classic style. They do it in black, I've seen it in grey. I just love they bring these bags in different colours. The bigger one I would say is probably about this wide. So I was torn between this size or the really big size, but I think the mini is more practical for me. I think as well when your bag is like really, really big, especially like this open style, I think it's harder to obviously keep your belongings more safe. I also really love this cream contrast stitching down the front of it. Such a beautiful detail, and then of course the Polène logo is just on the bottom. You guys know I really love like minimal branding when it comes to my handbags, and yeah, this one is absolutely stunning. I'm looking forward to styling her. Then next I have a bag from CAFUNE. It's my first premium handbag by them, kindly sent by the PR team. So they do this style bag in different shades. They do it in black, they also do it in tan, and I think also a darker brown, but I went for it in the black smooth leather because I really wanted a smaller style bag which was more smarter. So of course I have my Prada, which is like more of a bigger size. You've seen it in lots of my videos. It's a grain leather, but sometimes it can be quite big and bulky and quite heavy on my arm, like especially when I'm in London, I ram loads of stuff in it. So I really wanted like a bag that I could sort of wear on my arm but also crossbody. My Prada does have a crossbody strap so I can wear it like that, but because it's quite like bulky, it sort of sits weird and it looks better when you style it on your arm. So I went for this style bag, which is absolutely beautiful. How gorgeous is that? I really, really love the smooth leather. So I do tend to try and stay away from smooth leather, but I thought this looked so premium and I really love the clasp on this. It's definitely giving like Hermes Birkin sort of vibes. I just love the gold hardware and the clasp is just, yeah, it's so nice, and the shape is really sturdy. Like, this handle is absolutely solid. It also comes with a strap so you can wear it crossbody. You can also remove this and wear it on your arm too. It also has a gold zip on the back, and it's a decent size too, so just enough to get my valuables in it. It's not too big and not too bulky, but a really good size. But I think the clasp is also really secure. I think you can sort of like tighten the clasp as well. So as you can see, it has like 2 little holes there. But I do also love it in the lighter tan colour, so I'll pop a little picture on of that one. It's more of like a beigey tan, I would say. But yeah, absolutely stunning, a really great workwear style bag, and I just really love the gold and the black. Then finally we have the best till last, and it's my new LOEWE basket bag. So I really wanted this bag last summer. They do it in 2 different sizes and colourways. They do it in the black and also the brown. I have my eye on another brown style LOEWE bag, so I put a little picture on because I really want that style bag. I've wanted it for ages too. I just absolutely love LOEWE for their summer basket bags. I use my white one literally all the time. Like, I've honestly had my cost per wear out of it, and I can't believe how much these bags have actually gone up. Like, I think when I bought my medium LOEWE basket bag in the white, I think I paid around $350 or $375, and they're literally around $450, $475 now, nearly £500. They've definitely gone up in value because I think they're such a classic style summer bag, and everyone always wants a LOEWE bag. They're really hard to get in the summer, and I really wanted this bag last summer, but of course didn't get it because of the new house and everything. Thought I would then wait and get it this summer, and I went into store about a month ago and they told me that this style one had been discontinued, and I was like, oh my god, no, like I really wanted that style bag. They're only doing it in the brown, but they said just to keep checking online sometimes in case they do have any other drops or there's any returns or anything. I was like, oh, okay, like literally whatever was out where, that was it, and they were obviously discontinuing them. And then I checked online, I signed up for the emails, and I was like, I really want the small style. So I'll show you it now because I'm just, yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. I love the LOEWE packaging as well. I keep all my bags in their boxes. It also comes with the dust bag, and I am going to get an insert for them. And I have seen on Etsy as well that they do handbag inners for LOEWE bags, so basket bags. So I will link some of them down below for you. But this is my beautiful new bag. I went for it in the small size, so I thought it'd be really nice to wear as an evening bag on holiday, and I just think, yeah, I really love the size of it. I was originally looking at the bigger medium size, but because I already have like my medium one in my white one, I thought I'm gonna get the smaller size because it's a little bit different, but I just love like how dainty it is. Like, I love this handles. It's like a really nice size too. Like, you can still get plenty in there, as you can see. Like, it's quite open. And my LOEWE basket bag, I can literally get loads in because it's so deep, and this style bag in the bigger size is really deep. I did try on the brown style of it in the medium, but I thought I'm gonna get the small. So if you are after a certain style LOEWE basket bag which you've not been able to get in store, then I do recommend having a look on their website online and popping your email in. That's what they told me to do at the store, as they did check all the stores. They're like, no, try outlets and whatnot, and I was like, I really hope they do restock it. And luckily, when I got the email saying that it's back in stock, it said there was only 2 available, and I literally just checked out straight away. So yeah, super chuffed with it. I'm looking forward to styling it, and I think it's a very little me bag as well. So those are my new luxury pieces. I hope you guys like them as much as I do. Of course, I'll link them down below for you in the description box, but I also wanted to mention that when it comes to investing in luxury, I make sure that that item has been on my wish list for over 6 months to a year. Like I said, that LOEWE basket bag I really wanted last summer, so I thought I would leave it, of course, with the house and wedding. When it came to this summer, I was like, I still really want that bag. I absolutely love it. And it's got to a point that when I've been styling my spring summer outfits, I'm thinking that bag would just complete this. I just knew that this was the bag for me. So I just wanted to share that I don't make these purchases like very often, and when it comes to investing in luxury, I like to invest in lower price luxury handbags, as well as like belts, sunglasses. The last luxury purchase I made was my Celine sunglasses last summer, so I'm not one of those people that buys loads and loads of luxury. I just sort of like make sure that I make really like informed decisions. Like, I know what I want, it's got to be on my wishes for a long time. I don't ever buy handbags or designer accessories which are a trend as well. I make sure that they're timeless and they'll go with lots in my wardrobe. But I also put together a little dupe list on my LTK as well. If you follow me over there, I'll pop a little picture on. I like to sort of find my favourite dupes in the high street right now. There was actually a really good dupe for that LOEWE basket bag not long ago. I think it's sold out now, but yeah, you can get so many amazing dupes on the high streets for these luxury pieces, but you can also invest in other premium brands like Polène, CAFUNE if you don't want to spend a really high amount on a designer handbag. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.